Hi, this is Rudy for Rudy Say What, and we just caught the most wonderful play called Op en Top, directed by Andrew Buckland. Guys, introduce yourselves.
Hallo, ek is Richard Antrobas.
En Tristan Jacobs.
And I mean, we really enjoyed it. We got some amazing clips of you doing some stuff in sequence. So obviously you are in physical theatre.
That's true. Richard trained longer than I did, but we both studied at Rhodes, which is very physical theatre based, contemporary performance vibes. I'm doing my master's now. Richard graduated 2010 with his master's in phys theatre and sort of contemporary performance. So yeah, that is it. The body is the tool that you use as a performer.
I mean, we were so impressed by all the physical things that you do. What happens with the rehearsal process? How long does it take to get a show like this together?
This was a toneelstuk that developed out of my master's, final master's performance, and I was doing it in contemporary performance, and I battled with the issue of what is contemporary performance? Do you have to have multimedia? Do you have to have speaking? Can it be physical theatre? I didn't feel like I was properly an actor, but I couldn't say I was a dancer. So I felt almost as if I was a street performer that was on stage, and that's how the show came about. Die toneelstuk deel oor twee acteurs. Een is a traditional actor and the other is a straatkunstenaar. And the straatkunstenaar comes in and he's suddenly confronted with an audience who he recognizes immediately because he's used to interacting with an audience. The traditional actor is used to having the imaginary fourth wall, so he doesn't see the audience and he's preparing and preparing and preparing. And the relationship develops where the street performer tries to get the actor to see that you can only prepare so much. You have to eventually go out and do it and embrace life. So the show deals on two levels. It has a metaphor that expands to life as well. And the tricks and things like with the trampoline and the stilts, one day I just tried it. I said, well, can I do it? And I just got up and I tried it, and I got a bit cocky. I have fallen off the trampoline once before, and sometimes I do fall. In today's performance, as you saw, it was a bit unplanned.
Well, because I actually mentioned to the cinematographer, we weren't sure whether that was sort of part of the...
No. The great thing about the show is there is some audience interaction, so because I can interact with the audience, I am a street performer, so I can cover up, I can improvise, I can stand up, I can carry on. That's the great thing about the show, and every time we do the show, new things happen. If an audience laughs and you can interact, or something happens that's unexpected, every now and again add in new things. And it's been really great translating this show, which is actually in Afrikaans, even though we're speaking English. It's Afrikaans and a little bit of English, because you find new nuances, and you're grappling now with the Afrikaans language and with the idea of language itself. So it's been so great to embrace a new audience and embrace a new show.
Well, absolutely, because I actually thought you were Afrikaans when I saw the show, because your accent is like 100% spot on, because I'm local, I'm from here actually, so I went to the high school here, so I'm Afrikaans boy. So I was really impressed. How much training does it take to sort of get the accent that perfect?
I'm really glad that you were impressed by it, firstly. Thank you. We did a show in 2009 here called Die Bannelinge, and I had to learn that. Now, obviously, my father's Afrikaans, but I never grew up speaking as much Afrikaans as I would have liked. And that script, I had to learn like music, I found. And
like phonetically?
Yes. So it was like the lines were just, that's how you had to say them, and you learn the little rhythm of them, and you just repeat it that way. So I think I used that approach in dealing with this text a lot.
Well, guys, we were really impressed, and everybody please come support Op en Top, directed by Andrew Buckland. Amazing show. Guys, thank you so much and well done for a great show.
Baie dankie.
Baie dankie.